Hello friends. Today in this video I'm gonna talk about the UV LED lamps and also gonna find out that which lamp is best for beginners. So here I have two lamps. One is small and other is big. The small lamp has three attachments setting and we have to attach our phone chargers box, whatever you call this. This wire comes with the lamp. I'm connecting it. This small lamp is cheap and it has only 6 UV lights. It's from 3 Strokes company and only one button at the back. Now I'm gonna connect the wire with lamp and connect it to the power socket so we can on it to cure the nails. I turn it on and I place my hand inside it, and as you can see that the UV light doesn't turn on automatically, but this setting works with the big lamp. I turn on the button and now UV lights are on. No heat at all. When we press the button for 1 second, then the lamp can cure for 60 seconds. And when we press the button and hold it for 2 seconds, then the lamp can set itself on 120 seconds. While the other lamp have many buttons, like we have no need to press the buttons many times. It has a timer screen where we can see that how much time or seconds has left to cure the nails. But the small lamp is small in size and we can hold it in our hands and place it everywhere. It's good in space consuming. When we close the lamp stand, we can see the holes placed as a site of UV light. So if we need our lamp to hold and cure in our hands, we can do it easily. If you do your nails twice in a year, then you can buy this. And this lamp is professional, and don't worry, it is not big as you are thinking. My hands are so small and you can see the size of this lamp as compared to my hands. This is also convenient for you as per your choice. This lamp has many features which are written here. You can read it. And I bought it just because to cure the builder gel. That small lamp is not that much powerful and I got so many problems to cure the builder gel. But this lamp can cure every gel without any issue. It is available in different colors. And I have the white one. It consumes time. If you are a beginner artist, then go for the 48-watt UV LED lamp because when you will use it, your time will be consumed and you can freely focus on the nail arts. For more information about this professional lamp, you can watch this video. See you in the next video. Bye.